Complete the phrase. Wear your heart on your dash dash. This English idiom means openly showing your emotions or feelings. And the answer is sleeve. You can find the Victoria Terminus in Mumbai and the Victoria Memorial in Kolkata. Now if you are visiting the Gateway of India, which city are you in? And the answer is Mumbai. Who won the women's single title at Wimbledon 2019? And the answer is Simona Halep. In which country will you find the Stonehenge, a prehistoric monument consisting of a ring of standing stones? And the answer is England. Where is India's highest astronomical observatory located? And the answer is Ladakh. A phobia is an irrational fear that a person may experience. Triskaidekaphobia is a fear of what? And the answer is number 13. The World Bank Group announced its first female managing director and chief financial officer, who is an Indian national. What is her name? Hint: she was the MD of the State Bank of India. And the answer is Anshula Kant. ISRO has been in the spotlight recently due to its moon mission Chandrayaan-2. Who is the current chairman of ISRO? And the answer is Dr. K. Sivan. Sportsman Anthony Amalraj recently won a historic bronze medal for India in World Tour held in Australia. Which sport does he play? And the answer is table tennis. In the DC comic books, what is the name of the planet that is Superman's home? And the answer is Krypton. Akshay Kumar occupies the number 33 spot in the Forbes Celebrity 100 list, which mentioned the world's highest paid entertainers. Who has topped the list this year? And the answer is Taylor Swift. In 1927, who launched the Mahat Satyagraha? And the answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Fanta and Sprite belong to which beverage company? And the answer is the Coca-Cola Company. The banana plant is classified as a herb. True or false? And the answer is true. If the Green Revolution is related to agriculture, what does the Blue Revolution refers to? And the answer is fish. Which of the following is the official language in Argentina? And the answer is Spanish. In India, Engineers Day is celebrated on September 15. It commemorates the birth anniversary of which Indian scientist? And the answer is M. Visvesvaraya. While most societies follow a patrilineal tradition wherein the father's name is passed on to the children, some do not. Which one of these Indian ethnic communities follow a matrilineal tradition? And the answer is Khasi, Meghalaya. The age of a star can be estimated by its color. Which of these colors indicates the star is amongst the youngest? And the answer is blue. Who won the men's final at 2019 Wimbledon tournament? And the answer is Novak Djokovic. Watch our other videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We will answer it in next Q&A video. Please support us. Like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon.